Blue line train for down 52 minutes. 9 cars, yellow line train for down from Frisco Airport, no 3 in 11 minutes.
Yellow line train for Antioch in 4 minutes. 6 car, blue line train for OAK Airport, Dublin in 11 minutes. Green line service is not currently running. The orange line service 2 burials, take the Dublin bound blue line, space there, and transfer to York.
Now boarding out. Civic Center, UN Plaza. This is a blue line train
Red
to
line service is not
Daly
currently
City.
running. The orange line service to Richmond. Take the Antioch bound yellow line to 19th Street, Oakland, and transfer to the orange line. Red line service is not currently running.
Please
The
step
orange
clear
line
of the
service
doors.
to Richmond. Take the Antioch bound yellow line to 19th Street, Oakland, and transfer to the orange line.
9 cars, yellow line train for down from Frisco Airport, no 3 in 11 minutes. Blue line train for yellow train for 2 minutes.
It's talking about shopping service on hard because the amount of writers people is not. My bigger issue is how we fund the state funding to write it over and over again. We keep putting those funds out and we keep putting it
Yellow line train for Antioch in 2 minutes. 6 car, blue line train for OAK Airport, Dublin in 9 minutes.
sorry. Just, I'm careful, don't worry. You just ruined it all.
You just hit me.
Don't worry.
Yellow line train northbound from Cisco Airport to Oakland in 6 minutes.
Now boarding out.
Blue line
Civic
train for
Center,
down.
UN Plaza. This is a yellow line train to Antioch. The doors are closing. Please stand clear of the doors.
Where's Handicap?